Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, this is such a beautiful question. So, given that the solar flares emit electromagnetic radiation, so if humans were able to stare at the sun without harm, what would be the most likeliest observation that we could make? So, if humans were able to stare without harm on solar flare, this is solar flare, a description of that from Earth, the most likeliest result would be a small section of sun shining brighter for the duration. That is what you are going to observe. Solar flares are intense bursts of electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun. So there are various frequencies of electromagnetic spectrum which are there in this radiation. So while solar flares emit radiation in all frequencies including visible light, they are particularly powerful in higher energy ranges like X-rays and UV rays. So this powerful nature creates it very harmful for the observation directly. But given that it is not harmful, since humans can only perceive the visible light, which is a specific range of electromagnetic spectrum, the majority of flares emissions would not be directly visible to us. Okay. However, if the flare is strong enough, it may affect the overall brightness of the sun, and potentially it causes the small section of sun to appear more brighter than usual. So this increased brightness would be due to the enhanced emission of visible light. This area might seem more brighter. That is the observation. This increased brightness would be because of the enhanced emission of the visible light within that specific area of the flare. So it is important to note that this staring is very harmful, but this is what we are going to experience if we were to somehow uh, not harmfully observing the sun without damaging our eye cells. So without proper protective equipment, you shouldn't do this. So I hope you find this solution useful. Thank you.